Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an install of the windshield for the 68 Mustang. Had it prepped, ready to go. The seal was put on. That was pretty much of a bear. They all are. But it's ready to install. My little trick I use, probably most windshield guys use. Putting rope all around the channel. Dropping it into the car on this channel, right into the channel. And then slowly working the rope out and around while pushing the windshield in to set it in place. It's not easy. It's kind of weird. I kind of like doing them. Some guys hate doing them. I don't know. I think it's kind of fun until the windshield breaks. But hopefully that won't happen. In the previous videos, I'm sure you noticed that the dash was out of the car. In order to do that, I had to drill all the spot welds at the base of the windshield. Then weld it all back in, which left a couple of little holes. Obviously, I need to do something about that. Took a light skim of RTV along there. Let it set up overnight, and looks like it's sealed up pretty well. I want to try to avoid using any sealant on this windshield if at all possible. Because if I ever need to pull the windshield out, it makes it a real bear to do it. If I don't use sealant, I can just pull the windshield out and resave the gasket, which is ideal. So we'll see how that goes. And there you have it, the windshield is installed. The toughest part is always getting the corners pulled through with the rope. It's always a tight spot. Usually use a screwdriver like you saw in the video to make that happen. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.